Hey guys, today we are making a homemade bread. For this you'll need 1 kilogram of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt. This is a regular table salt. 3 or 4 teaspoons of yeast, 2 teaspoons of sugar, regular granulated sugar, 700 ml of warm water, and 50 ml of oil. Today I used olive oil, but regular vegetable oil can be used as well. Here I'm turning on my scale and measuring 1 kilogram of flour. You can see there about 1,000 grams or a kilogram. To this, I'm adding for the first step, 1 teaspoon of sugar. And 2 teaspoons of salt. And just mixing around the dry ingredients. So in a separate bowl, I'm adding the 700 mils. This is 500 first. And I'm adding another 200 mils of warm water. Water needs to be warm for the yeast to grow, but not too hot so that it kills the yeast. It just needs to be lukewarm. That's another 200 mils right there. I just wasn't holding it straight. Okay, this is the yeast, so 1 teaspoon. This is a quick rise instant yeast. Any of the powder form yeast works. 2 teaspoons. 3 teaspoons, yeah, that's how much I used. 3 teaspoons. And another teaspoon of sugar in this wet ingredients. And give it a little mix so that the yeast mixes with the sugar. The sugar provides food for the yeast so that it can grow. And you just have to leave it alone for about 5 to 10 minutes until it turns foamy and thick. This is what it looks like after like 5 minutes. I've also added the 50 ml of olive oil, and and the wet ingredients, which I forgot to film. But yeah, it looks foamy. The yeast is growing. That's perfect. Now we can mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. And then I just use my hand to mix everything around. I mixed it a little bit with a spoon, but then I just used my hands because it is easier that way. Here is where I'm starting to knead everything and mix everything with my hands. This is basically a no-knead bread. I've only mixed it around for about 5 minutes before I put it in the hot pot. This may seem complicated, but it is an easy recipe. Quick too. So just knead enough until it turns into a dough. As soon as it was turned into a ball, a dough, or a ball made out of dough, just covered it up. We didn't need it for longer than 5 minutes, only needed it for 5 minutes or so. Covered it with a clean towel and just let it rise for about an hour or until it doubles or triples in size. Here it is, beautiful or all raised. I put it in the oven in a hot, one of those heavy pots with a lid on, lined with a parchment paper. And here it is when it was done. After an hour and 20 minutes. It looks beautiful. I didn't have a chance to take a picture or a video as we cut into it because we ended up eating it really fast with butter. But I can assure you it turned out great. So I suggest you give this one a try and let me know in the comments how it tasted for you. Again, comment and like and subscribe if you like my channel. Thank you. Until next time. Bye.